Okay, here's your knife. Here's your box. Don't show my address on camera, ideally. And now you make an intro to your YouTube video. Go.
What can it be?
You're not going to introduce yourself? You're not going to introduce your channel, your studio name? What is your studio name? If I'm DeeJayBe Studios, you're Curb Studios.
Curb?
Curb. Yeah, Curb. KRB. Do you need me to leave the room? You're just gonna stare at the camera and laugh?
Yep.
Hey everybody, this is DeeJayBe. Welcome to my channel. Oh, that was actually not what I do. Hey everybody, it's DeeJayBe. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Daryn, this is DeeJayBe Studios, and this is an unboxing. So now you lip sync and I'll say that. Hey everybody, my name is DeeJayBe's mom. Welcome to DeeJayBe Studios. This is an unboxing. Seamless, that looked really realistic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi everybody, this is DeeJayBe's mom, and I am gonna do an unboxing for her. Let's see how it goes. Who knows what is in this box? Hopefully it's not fragile. Brown paper. Brown paper. It's a box inside a box. It's gray with blue horses on it. What could it be inside? Premier collection? How painful is this? It's another box inside a box. I can't show you. Ready? Ooh.
Wow.
Wow. Very nice.
Okay, wait. Before you open this, do you know the context of this?
Nope.
Not at all. Okay, so this is a Premier Club mule. So it's the last of the Premier Club. Actually, I think the stablemate will be in there too somewhere. So it's like a double unboxing. But they threw in for this one 75 gray mules as like a micro run. So if you get one of the 75, that's very rare. That's worth a lot of money. That's very hard to obtain. So it's either going to be brown like the box, or it's going to be gray.
Oh, or it could be gray. Okay.
And we don't know. So when you said this box is gray, my heart stopped for a second.
Apparently, what you see on the box is not what is inside the box, potentially. So we'll see. Let's see. Sorry about the box. Should we open the little one first or the big one first? We did the big one. More wrapping. How much wrapping does one mule need?
If it's gray, you're opening all my horses from now on.
Oh, not gray. Dun dun dun.
Not gray.
Not the gray one, but it'll do. Look at, he's got freckles.
Freckles. Are you my husband?
Ooh. He is kind of cute though, for a brown one.
Ta-da.
Ta-da. Too much tape. Do you have Band-Aids? This is painful. Okay, thanks for coming out, folks. We'll see you another day. Just kidding. Oh my God, more wrapping. You're not gonna believe this. It's great. Doesn't look like a mule. Well, I was all excited because it was gray, but it's not a gray mule. I don't know what it is. It's a gray horse.
Wow.
Pretty cute. Isla. Whatever that is.
That's the name of the horse.
It's an Isla.
You're probably
Awesome.
saying that wrong.
Isla?
Isla?
Don't know.
Now they can see where I get the pronunciation skills from. Do you like it?
Yes, that's very cute.
How do you feel about the mule?
I feel like this one needs a little grass on the little base, so it's gonna eat some grass. The mule is lovely. Paint job looks good. The freckles are cute.
What about the toenails?
What about the toenails?
The correct response is that's not a toenail, that's a hoof.
Stands pretty balanced. Symmetry on the face. You look good on my shelf.
Ranking out of 10, go.
I give him an 8.
8 for a mule.
Yeah.
Not a 10 out of 10.
No.
Not a slam dunk.
Nope.
There's your old Breyer mule. Which sculpture do you like better?
This one does look a little better. I'll give it that. I like this color. Definitely looks more realistic. They've stepped it up a notch from that.
I want to see it. Oh, she is cute.
I don't know, is her eyes symmetrical though?
You just said it was
I know,
symmetrical.
I had to say it. But then I'm like, I don't know if you are.
They are, yes. They're very straight, actually.
I like this one's eyes.
This one's eyes are not symmetrical. What are you talking about? It's like a dirt. Dur. That's a
I can
dur.
relate to dur.
That's like not even close.
What is the deal with this?
So you pay for 3 horses in the year and then they give you a free stablemate at the end of the year. And so it's always a new mold with a color that they did for the Premier Club. This was the color they did. This was Tammy's paint
right.
job.
Right. So Tammy's
So-
paint job comes out the same as this one.
The baby. Do you need one of those?
One of these?
Yeah.
Probably. With my mule collection.
So there'll be plenty more colors on that over time.
Cool.
Because now it's a mold. So now you'll have 2 congas, I guess.
Yeah.
Just gonna go in the cabinet upstairs with the other ones.
Should go good in my cabinet with my other one too.
Ta-da.
Ta-da.
So what are your closing thoughts?
Closing thoughts. It's not our lucky day today to get the gray one, but we got this lovely brown one. Have a good day, folks. Turn off that camera.
This has been DeeJayBe's mom.
This has been DeeJayBe's mom signing out.